Let's face it, you are considering buying a microphone and you came here to listen in to a couple of them. I'll compare 3 devices. It would be very useful if you use your headphones to listen to this video. Apart from me not being able to properly pronounce comparison,
comparison, comparison.
I mean, this word just doesn't work. The video should be really useful. 3 microphones that I have present in my office: the Samson Go Mic, the Rode NT-USB, and this here, the Shure PG42-USB. This is the laptop mic. I am giving an example sound test to give you a comparison and overview. This is the Samson Go Mic. I am giving an example sound test to give you a comparison and overview. This is the Rode NT-USB mic. I am giving an example sound test to give you a comparison and overview. This is the Shure PG42-USB. I am giving an example sound test to give you a comparison and overview. Once again, this is how an integrated laptop mic can sound. Once again, this is how Samson Go Mic can sound. The sound isn't as deep and full, but for this price point, it's an amazing microphone. Once again, this is how Rode NT-USB mic can sound. Once again, this is how Shure PG42-USB mic can sound, and I'm the most confident talking into it because I'm using it all the time, so I kinda get its vibe. For an USB mic, all of them sound pretty amazing. For me, Shure is the winner because it sounds really well and balanced with my deep and bassy voice. I will be honest, this video is one of the lectures in my screen recording online course. If you'd like to learn how to record your screen, record yourself, and sound well on a microphone, please consider enrolling. You have links in the description below. Check it out. But first and foremost, thank you very much for listening. I hope this was helpful and this little comparison may help you select a proper microphone for yourself. Comparison.